Hey friends, this is MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and I actually have a really good cameraman holding a really good camera, so we're going to make the most of it. We are going to make venison steaks tomorrow. And I have a marinade that I actually have no idea what I made, but this should actually be microwaved. But you know what? It's going to be okay. I'm just going to put a little... All this is a bit of sunflower oil, a bit of hemp oil, a bit of lemon-fused olive oil, powdered garlic, fresh garlic, onion powder, salt, peppers over there, honey, molasses, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We're just going to put the oil in the bottom, and I'm going to put a, oh hell, this is way too thick to try and, so we're just going to talk to it. How about that? Yes folks, my hands are bloody clean. Sugar. These have all been thawed out today. Blood drained off. And this, well, we have no idea. But we like the lemon infused olive oil. Why? Because it has lemon and you want a bit of an acid in your marinade, especially when it's a tough game meat. Because that helps, and that's why we're going to marinate it overnight. I've got a frozen piece here. We're going to marinate overnight to let that work. And it may be a little bit too sweet. I may have to add some lemon. So I'm just going to do a little bit more salt overall. Why? Because as my favorite Australian chef says, salt loves meat and meat loves salt. I'm missing 5 molars and that just melted in my mouth.